So main purpose is to execute your statements. Any statement you want to execute in your class, so you must have a main method. Under main method, you need to call. Then only those statements will be executed. This is the one statement. This is the another statement. This is the another statement. In the same order, it will execute. Which order main method below you are placing, same order your code will execute. That's a main method purpose. This is already created by Java. So you see, they made public, so anybody can call in their programs. So public is everywhere. You can access everywhere. Okay, that's it. But there are different arguments. These are called arguments. The parent round brackets inside whatever you put, these are called arguments. So these arguments, there are different types you can give. So this is the one way. String square bracket args. So string square bracket args will tell array. This is the array symbol. So square bracket tells you it is array. So array type of string values you can supply to your main method. You can supply multiple values for this main method. So that's the string square bracket args means. The string args you can write one more way also. There are three different ways are there. So the second way is, so first one is string square bracket args. The other one is string. You can put a square bracket for args. This is also valid. These are all valid arguments for the main method. Different type of arguments for the main method. You can run it. See, your code will execute. So this is also another valid arguments for the main method. Main method is mainly used for code execution purpose. If anything you write under main method body, this is the main method body. So body starts here and ends here. See? When I select here, the bracket is highlighting in the end curly bracket. End curly bracket. Curly bracket we call this. Start curly bracket, end curly. This will come a pair. So if you start, you should end this. That's mandatory. What is the other one? One more is there. One more format also you can use. Any one is fine. Arguments. Again, same method, public static void main. But the inside arguments you can give like this. So this is also valid arguments. They will ask what are all the different arguments for the main method. So you can tell this. So what are the one? String square bracket args is the one. Second one, string args square bracket. So third one, string ... c. So all three are valid arguments for the main method. So your cursor will be here only. First your cursor will be here only. Then it will call. So for this line execution, main method will be called. And main method will execute this statement and it will go back to cursor here again. Second line again, second line will call the main method. Again, second line will execute that and cursor will go back to here. So like this, each line will call the main method. So keep executing all the lines of code. So that's how this code will execute in your programs. See, all three types it is executing. So what is the method naming conventions? So as I mentioned, any method name, if a method name contains one word, all letters should be in lowercase. See? Click one word, all letters are lowercase, followed by parenthesis. This is the mandatory. Method name after parenthesis is mandatory. So round brackets. Round brackets. See, main is a one method. Main is one of the method. Main also a method. But the purpose is you can execute your program. The program execution begins from here on. So it will be here only. Okay. So it will be from here only. Program execution starts. So we can say in the C language, the begin, right? It will start from there. Here in the Java, so the program execution begins from here on. So wherever main method is there, that's execution one. The code execute from there only. You write n number of lines of code above and below, but it won't execute from there. So anything under main method, only that lines will be executed. Other lines won't execute if it is not in the main method. So the naming conventions, the rule 1 you have to follow. Click all one word, type another word, so followed by parenthesis. So rule 2, if a method name contains more than one word, first letter, first word, all letters should be in lowercase. From second word onwards, each word first letter should be in uppercase, and don't provide any spaces between the words. See here, observe this. The example: protected, static, void. I'm creating my own method names. Here, how many words here? Click and wait. How many words here? 3 words are there. First word all lowercase. That's what I told, right? First word all lowercase, and second word onwards, that means second word, this is the second word. First letter should be in uppercase. No spaces between the words. And followed by parenthesis. Followed by parenthesis. This parenthesis will come for method. Method name after parenthesis will come. And method name is followed by, this is called parenthesis. And then followed by body, method body. This is the method body. So method name should be a verb. Basically, method name inside only will write your logic, like your calculation part, your print statements. You can call one more method here in this method. So this is all, the method inside you can write all the code. So what this method has to do, you can write. So use lower camel case for naming the methods. Set first name followed by parenthesis. Get first name followed by parenthesis. Get last name followed by parenthesis. So that's the parenthesis. Method names, how to write. The parenthesis first, method name after parenthesis will be used, and then so object creation, the constructor place parenthesis is used, and all the control structures like if parenthesis, while parenthesis, per parenthesis, switch parenthesis. So all these places you will use parenthesis. Another one, typecasting time also is. I'll tell you this, what is this typecasting. So data type S1 equal to left side data type and S2. Because this data type and this data type, if it is not same, you will get a type mismatch error. To solve that, we are going to use right side variable before you will write the left side data type. This data type name you will put in the parenthesis. That is called typecasting. So that typecasting also you will do that. So these are all the different command line arguments. And method body, this curly braces reason is called method body. So method body inside what you can write? You can write the logic or statements. So we can write this like this. A method will be there. Access modifier, static, void. You can create your own methods like this. Curly bracket, calculations, method calls, print statements, all you can write. See, method started here with the curly bracket, it should end here. So this is any method, static method structure. So method inside you can write all of them. So this is all about a simple method structure and what are the naming conventions of a method. So I'll go in detail, I'm going to give that, but as of now, just understand that.